So imagine this: you're scrolling through X, enjoying your coffee, and suddenly, fresh images of the DJI Mini 5 Pro appear. And not just the usual grainy leaks or blurry photos that make you question if it's real, but crystal clear renders that leave very little to the imagination. The timing couldn't be better either, with that rumored mid-September launch window getting closer by the day. These new shots show the Mini 5 Pro hanging out with some exciting accessories, like ND filters, a sleek 3-slot charging hub, quick-release props, and even what looks like a redesigned battery. In other words, DJI isn't holding back with this one. The ND filters are also worth getting excited about. We're talking AND32 and even ND128. Now, if you're not familiar with ND filters, think of them as sunglasses for your drone's camera. And 8 handles regular bright days, and 3.2 is for really sunny conditions. But ND128? That's wild for a drone in this size class. It allows for long exposures, creamy motion blur, and that cinematic look that makes your footage feel more like a movie than a weekend hobby project. If you've ever flown a drone on a bright day without filters, you know how overexposed and washed out everything can look? This ND kit is DJI basically saying, we know you want pro-level results, so here you go. Another quality of life upgrade that I think many people will appreciate is the quick-release prop design. If you've ever tried swapping screw props in the middle of a windy field, you know it feels like trying to do surgery with a butter knife. The new system is faster, simpler, and honestly a much-needed improvement. It's one of those small changes that doesn't sound revolutionary on paper, but when you're out in the field, it makes all the difference. Of course, we can't ignore the price tags because that's always part of the conversation. In Europe, the standard kit is expected to cost around €799. It's the same as the Mini 4 Pro. The Fly More combo with the RC2 controller is rumored to land at about €1,129. In the UK, you're looking at roughly £689 for the base kit and £979 for the Fly More option. And in the US, leaks suggest between $749 and $799 for the standard package, while Fly More could run you closer to $999 or even $1,099. Not cheap. But considering the feature set and DJI's reputation for quality, it's still a pretty accessible way to get professional-grade aerial footage. Now, don't forget these leaks aren't just about accessories. Earlier reports pointed to some serious upgrades under the hood, including a 1-inch sensor, 4K video at 120 frames per second, and even LIDAR-assisted omnidirectional sensing. While none of this is officially confirmed by DJI yet, the consistency of the leaks suggests that we're only waiting for DJI to give the official stamp of approval. If even half of these features make it into the final product, the Mini 5 Pro is shaping up to be a game-changer for creators. So here's my take. The Mini series has always been about portability and accessibility, but DJI seems determined to push it into a whole new category, one where creators don't have to compromise between small size and professional results. With longer flight times, pro-level ND filters, smarter design tweaks, and potential powerhouse imaging, the Mini 5 Pro feels less like an incremental upgrade and more like a statement piece. DJI is basically saying, why settle for less when we can give you everything in a mini package? But what about you? You think DJI is getting it right? Or are they edging dangerously close to competing with their own Air series? I'd love to know how you see yourself using those ND128. Filters, are we talking cinematic masterpieces or just super polished vacation footage? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. That's going to wrap it up for today's breakdown of the DJI Mini 5 Pro leaks. If you found this video helpful or entertaining,